Hey guys, we're gonna make some tacos today. Let's do it. All right, I got these three on medium heat. This guy's off. I'm gonna, once I make all the tacos, I'm gonna just pop them into these little sections here. This is the part of the Blackstone Taco Kit. So the meat we're using is meat that I canned last month. So you can see ground beef 520. So it's 2020, not the 20th of May. But anyway, so I haven't opened these yet. We'll see how they go. Ooh, nice. So you always want to hear a nice pop from these lids. See if I can pour most of the water out over here. Woo! That steam is a killer. I have it up high because the steam is burning my fingers. All right. Now we can get the rest of it out. So canned ground beef cooks when you can it. Get rid of these guys. All right, let me kind of mix this up a little bit. See, it's still a little bit pink. Looks, I see in there. All right, so while we have it, I'm gonna mix in some of this taco seasoning. I'm not going to use the whole packet, so a tiny bit to give it a taste. And mix that up. I'm going to add a little bit of salsa. So now we are at low heat. Turn that guy off. So we were only using these two for now. Alright, so this is Kirkland organic salsa. A bit more. It smells good. Turn this guy back on and go to about a medium heat on these two burners here. You saw that? I almost grabbed it. On there. So tonight we're using Colby Jack. And we'll take a little bit of meat, throw on each. Now the trick of folding them. We're gonna fold them. Oh, you know what? We're not folding them yet. Add a little bit of lettuce. Now, the lettuce is probably going to get heated up, and we'll find out how it works out. But just shredded lettuce. Alright, now let's try to fold them up. Ooh, that's hot. I think we need to go down to low again. Now I'm just going to kind of brown them up a little more. And we'll make some more in a second here. Woo. Look at that. So, I'm going to go eat these. Let's take a bite of one. Alright, so I got a couple here. It's pretty good and easy. You saw how easy it was. Those are good. Let me know below if you have any questions. But yeah, you got that Blackstone Taco Kit. It worked out great. I'll put some links below if you want to get one. But otherwise, let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.